Hello, Johnny. Hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Johnny, you inquired about a beautiful 2018 Genesis G80. Hey, the Genesis G80 is a little hard to get a hold to, but I do have a few of them on the lot. Right behind me, I have what we call a Himalayan gray with the gray interior. This is going to be a premium package, so it does have what we call the panoramic sunroof. This vehicle comes standard with leather. It is a 3.8 V6 rear-wheel drive with 311 horsepower. Has backup camera, navigation, push-button start, has blind spot alerts. It is a Shiftronic transmission, so you can drive it like a manual or automatic. This vehicle also comes with 3 years of free maintenance on it. You also get what we call the valet service, so you don't have to bring it in. It will be picked up and brought a vehicle to you while it's being serviced. Now the vehicle comes standard with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, but here at Tameron Hyundai, we doubled the vehicle to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no cost and no strings attached. You also got a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. And on a premium luxury vehicle, that is an unheard of warranty. So my name is Tony. You can reach me here at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Once again, that's Tony Finley at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, a 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Thank you for contacting us, and you be blessed.